Hello everybody, namaste and welcome to my channel. My name is Ritu and my channel's name is Ritu's Rainbow World. So these are few previous videos that I have uploaded and few are very requested videos. So if you are watching this channel for the first time, do take a moment to check out all these videos, and you can definitely go ahead in video section and get all the updated about my channel. I'm looking forward for your support, and you can definitely go ahead and support me by subscribing to the channel. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook. All the handles will be in the description box.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ritu and my channel's name is Ritu's Rainbow World. So if you have been following me for a little while, you already know what my channel is all about. But just you're watching this face for the first time, do not forget to check out my previous video so that you will have a glimpse of what my channel is all about. And without further ado, let's just quickly get into the video. But before we get into the video, do take a moment to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Both the handles are in the description box, so you can definitely go ahead and follow there for more such updates on whatever is going on my channel, and also on my personal updates on Instagram. So please do take a moment to follow me there as well. So without further ado, let's just quickly get into the video. So I know festive season is all around the corner. We are waiting eagerly for Diwali. Yesterday was Karwa Chauth. I'm not sure when this video is going to put up, but the festive season is all around the corner, and I thought why not to share this video with you guys. I have tons of lip shades. Let me show you. So these are the tons of lip shades that I have. Now I got this particular organizer from IKEA. You can get this from Miniso as well, but not the such a bigger version. But you can definitely get the organizer from IKEA and Miniso. So I think they are readily available, or you can take any of the organizer from the home centers or anywhere which is very close to you, and probably you can get a hands on to this. So I have tons of lip shades here, and this festive season the girls would not be able to manage without lip shades. Specifically me, a person, I cannot manage without the lip shades. My mom and my husband keep on telling, if you gonna sit and sell your lip shades, I think you will gonna earn more. But that's bad. I love my lip shades over any other cosmetics. You give me any foundation or probably any highlighter, I love my lip shades. I cannot function without this, probably, honestly. So I wanted to make the entire video into 3 sections. The first will be the festive lip colors, which are into reds and pinks and probably orange. The next section will be the nudes one, and the third section will be the other random lip colors, probably purple and all of that, which are really rare. And yeah, maybe you guys can try, you can't try, it all depends on you. So majorly the entire video will be in these 3 sections. So if you really wanted to know what are the affordable lip shades you can buy from yourself and from where, so keep on watching till the end of the video. So the first lip shades, which is a festive one, I'm gonna show the lip shade which I'm wearing right now. This is from TFF. So this is a complete festive lip color. So the packaging is somewhere like this. This is a bullet kind of lipstick from The Fashion Factory. I hope you know this. The brand is really familiar. Now this is the lip color that I am using. So yeah, it's very amazing fuchsia pink, and all the lip colors that I will be showing is definitely going to be a creamy matte. No, few are mattes. So for sugar and all sugar lip colors and Miniso, they are a little matte, but this is a creamy consistency. It somewhere looks like this. And also at the bottom, if you run out of the lip color, you can drag your brush, the lip color brush, and you can apply that as well. So that is a little cute gesture which I like. Coming to the pricing point, this was only for ₹85, and I got this from one of the reseller from Facebook. They are operating from Calcutta. You can definitely go ahead and check that out as well. I really love this lip color. It's amazing. So this is the first lip color. The next lip color which I will be talking about is a chubby stick. This is from 7 Seas. This is a beautiful orangish kind of. I will give you a swatch of it. So this is a beautiful orangish shade. I think this also can be worn in the festive season. I think you will love it. I love this color. This is a beautiful from Seven Seas. You can get this from, I think, Faces Canada. Yeah, it's available there. The next lip color is from Blue. Okay, so this is I think this is for 165 or 75. I mean, this is very affordable. I'm in the shade 602. The next lip color which I will be talking about is from Blue Heaven. Now this is what the packaging is. I think these are their new launches, I'm not sure. And this is the orange shade. So this is a beautiful orange shade, little different from the previous one. You can see there is a change. This is a different orange and this is a different orange. So I think this I usually wear with sarees and all of that, and this I wear with kurtas and everything. So I think this is a little different orange, and this is the best for the festive season. I think this was for 100 rupees ka range. So this was again very affordable, and I really love this color. This is one of the amazing festive colors, by the way. Next I will move a little bit different color. This is from Maybelline and I am in the shade 316, which is frosted grapefruit. So this is the color. This is very amazing color. I mean, I'm remaining with just this much. I have used it so much. Very beautiful. It has a little sheen to it. I will apply it and I'll let you know how it is. So this is a kind of peachy color and it has a little sheen to it, but this is very amazing lip color. When you kind of apply it, people will tend to ask you what is the lip color and what are you wearing. This is a little pricey. I think 314 or something, 300 to 400 ka range mein. I love this color. And then I will go little affordable again from NY Bay. If you have watched my previous videos of the lip colors, I'm sure you will be knowing it. I love NY Bay lip colors. So this is a little nudish one, but not nude, I will say. I will give you a swatch. This is a maroonish lip color. Yeah, this is what the maroonish lip color. It looks here nude, but this is the maroonish and it's a very pretty color. Trust me, it's very pretty color and it's completely creamy texture. I love this lip shade. I mean, I have used it so much and I'm left with only this much. It comes in really this big. So I really love this lip color. This is amazing in your lips. It will not leave your lips chapped, but it will actually moisturize and give you a matte kind of look. So and I am in the shade, by the way, I'm in the shade Manhattan Maroon. Yeah, so the shade number is the name is Manhattan Maroon. You can definitely go ahead and purchase this. I love this for the festive season. Next is from LA18 Matte and I am in the shade Mauve Date. So this is a very beautiful mauve color. So this is what the color is and I have used it so much, I can't tell you. So I will give you a swatch of it. So this is the beautiful mauve color. I'm not sure whether it is visible or not. Okay, this is the mauve color, kind of pinkish and reddish ke beech wala tone. So I love this lip color. It has an expiry of like 2 to 4 years. Yeah, and I love this color over anything. I think this was my favorite for longest time. I have used it for over a year. I was obsessed, and this is Colourpop's Matte from LA18. Okay. The next thing which I will be going again with a little chubby. This is a lip shade from Bella Voste, light wear chubby stick. So this is what it is. It's a kind of red, by the way, and I'll give you a swatch of it. So this is what this is how it looks like. It's a complete matte red, but amazing. I mean, the chubby stick is so big. Yeah, so like you can use it for like years. It has an expiry till I think 2023 to 24. Yeah, 2023 24. So I think this was a little pricey, 300 to 400 ka range, but I really love this. The next is from Blue Heaven and this is a maroonish shade. Yeah, I have used it so bad that the packaging is gone. Okay, so this is the Blue Heaven and this is a mattifying lip shade, and yeah, so this is the color. It has a beautiful smell, but the color is so good and it's perfect for the festive season, by the way, guys. So I think all the colors are perfect for the festive season. They are beautiful pink maroon shade. I loved all the shades till now what I have showed you. Next I will be moving to a little nudish. Now I'm a person who love nude shades over a lot of other shades. Honestly, I am a person who love nudes. I don't know why, but I love nudes. So I'll move to nude. So the first is again from The Fashion Factory. Now that's how the logo is if you're not aware of the brand. The Fashion Factory, and this is the nude one. I need to rub this and then I'll come back soon.